what your bad dog did. I came in the room, Lucy, because I heard all this noise. Well, she was out over here. She was stuck. Lucy. Oh, Lucy. You bad dog. What are you going to do now? Are you just going to wear it forever? Too bad it's not full of food, huh? She's still looking for food in it. Oh, Lord. Are you licking inside the bag? Lucy, come on. Oh my God, baby girl. You're silly. Yes, you are. You're bad. Bad girl. Yes, I know. You're so happy to have it up your head now. Oh, you're so happy to get up your head. Yes. Oh, you made Mommy laugh very hard. That was funny.